Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming event timing and immediate prerequisites, check rank level and any required tokens. Once done, purchase or claim entry tickets. Don't wait until the last minute because queues spike. Make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and close background apps to prevent lag. If you need teammates, invite them now and set roles quickly. This front-loading avoids avoidable failures and gets you straight into the hub with everything ready. You proceed by focusing on the event objectives, read the task list, and prioritize high-value goals. Once engaged, communicate with your squad, assign scout, support, and flank roles, and use short callouts to keep actions crisp. Manage resources, grenades, medkits, and boosts. Rotate safely when timers tick down. Monitor the event UI for progress and special spawn windows, and adapt plans if objectives shift. This deliberate execution keeps momentum and maximizes rewards. You finish by claiming rewards immediately. Open the Event Rewards tab and accept items so inventory doesn't block future gains. Once claimed, verify items in your mailbox and equipment screen. Equip or store what's essential. If the hub stalls, try soft fixes. Restart the game, clear cache, or switch networks, and then re-enter. If issues persist, submit a support ticket with screenshots and event ID. This final sweep secures rewards and resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.